What's up, everyone, and welcome back to an all new video where we are going on the journey of multiplying and protecting our wealth through real estate. Post a video about once a week, maybe twice a week, all in an effort to help you as you, like us, are going down that journey. Today, I want to talk about one of the most important criteria when valuing a property, and that is days on market, or DOM. Days on market is one of the most important criteria that you can understand how to comprehend and use so that it both empowers and protects you when you're looking at how to appropriately value a property, whether you're looking to buy or sell. Now, notice that I said something days on market. And that last M is really, really important. If you watched one of the last videos I did on what is the market, if you haven't watched that, go back and watch it. If you did, this is really, really important, because if your property is not on the market, that is, it's not appropriately marketed, there's no pictures, there's no appropriate criteria, right? It's not marketed, it's not on the market. And what I'm going to teach you now is pretty much useless. But if it is properly marketed, if it has the right description, if it has good photos, if it's been exposed to the market, then days on market is one of the most important things you can understand. And generally, when I analyze a property, I want to know one thing in particular, and that is the median. And you want median, you don't want average, you want median days on the market. And let's just say in our situation that the median days on market is 30 days. In other words, it takes 30 days for a property to move from active to closed. So if that's the median, 30 days, and a property now is on the market, and say, let's say it's been on the market for 6 days, and let's say it's on the market for $400,000 and it's only 6 days on market, the likelihood of me being able to come in and get a deal on this or get it lower than 400K it's not very likely, especially in the crazy market that we're in. And by the way, 2021, June of 2021, the market is crazy, and you have to understand some of what I'm saying within the market. That's for another video. But in general, what I'm going to teach you is a very, very effective tool for determining market value. So let's say that we were on day 6. That's where we just went. Now let's assume that instead of day 6, we're at actually day 60, and you still have the property at 400K. Chances are that property, it's overpriced. It's twice the median. The price hasn't moved. There's been no offers. Then you know that this is overpriced. It's almost always about the price. It's sometimes you may not like your agent, but if the agent has appropriately marketed the property, then it's likely the market is telling you that it's positioned and priced incorrectly. So if that's the case, then we can use that as a pretty successful determiner of market value. So the first thing that we want to know is we want to know what the median days on market is. Now, let me just erase this. So let's assume we have the 30 days on market. You want to know this with the region and the neighborhood that you're in. The second thing you want to look at is you want to know whether or not you can categorize this as a good deal. You're going to know what is a good deal by how quickly it sells. Let's just assume for our case that really good deals sell in 7 days. It takes 7 days to find a really, really good deal. Well, let's assume you have that same $400,000 property. It's been day 7. You have no offers. You have very few showings. You know that even if you think it's a good deal, it's probably not a good deal. You may at least check yourself to say, maybe some people know something that I don't, and you need to be careful. On the other hand, if you've got a property that's been on the market for 6 days and you have 8 offers, then there's something going on here, and it's likely a really, really, really good deal. Don't let the multiple offers discourage you. I know that it's difficult in our market to understand this, but what this really does is it actually validates or doesn't validate that particular property's position. And this is where days on market can really go to serve you, not just to empower you, but to really protect you from making a mistake that you would otherwise have to pay for. This allows you to do something and not have to second guess yourself, because if a property is appropriately marketed, if it's on the market, then you have the entire market that's there to either validate the pricing in the position or actually argue against the pricing and its position. And that, my friends, helps you make the wisest decision so that you truly can be someone who multiplies their wealth as opposed to just lets their wealth sink further and further and further away from them. So days on market is a very powerful tool for helping empower and protect you from making mistakes. And understanding days on market is one of the first things to truly comprehend when determining market value. I hope this video helps. If you want to know what the market is, go back and watch that one. I've got another series of videos here coming for understanding value in different ways, but I hope this helps. And until next video, I'll see you then. Take care.